After purchasing FitStar, you're going to see your purchase confirmation. It's going to include your license key right here. And down at the bottom is going to have your download link. So go ahead and click download. Once that zip file downloads, go ahead and head on back over to WordPress. We're going to click on plugins. We're going to go to add new, upload plugin. And what I like to do is just drag in my zip file that I downloaded. Click install and click activate plugin. Now you're going to see FitStar in your plugins list. Click that. License key. You're going to go back to your FitStar account. You're going to copy that license key right here. And you're going to go back over to WordPress and paste it in. Save changes. Activate license. And you're in. So go ahead and click add new. We're going to add a new pop-up. We're going to name it my first review pop-up. We're going to select the template. There's 2 of them here to select from. I'll keep it at the original. And we're going to enter an admin email address. After that, we're going to select our minimum review rating. It's going to be set at 5 automatically, but you could set it down to 4. Anything you'd like, but 4 is probably good for this. We'll scroll down and show hide review field. We want that to show. Email address required, yes. And FitStar review link, that's where the positive reviews get redirected. So if you're using Google, you're going to want to go to google.com, type in your business. On the right-hand side, you're going to see write a review. Click that and now copy that link. So when customers leave you a positive rating, they get directed straight to your Google page. So paste that here. Next is pop-up trigger, which is going to display your pop-up on duration or on scroll. I'll keep it set on duration and set the trigger value to 3 seconds. The pop-up will display after 3 visits, which is important because you don't want to ask somebody for a review if it's their first time visiting your business. Stop showing pop-up after X visits. We're going to go ahead and set that to 3 because we don't want to keep bothering our customers if they don't want to leave us a review. Stop showing pop-up after review submission. Yes, after they leave us a review, we don't want to keep asking them. Now you're going to want to upload your logo, insert into post. Header text before review. So for us, it's enjoying FitStar. You might want to change it to, I don't know, enjoying my site. The rest I kind of like to leave on default. So let us know, tap a star to leave us a review. What could we do to improve? Stuff like that. And you could edit the colors of your stars, of the background, all that. I kind of like to leave it original and click publish. Now you're going to go ahead and copy this short code and paste it into the page that you want this to pop up on. So we'll just do a sample page, edit, come down here. You could add a new block. You could add short code and paste it in, update, and that's it. Now FitStar is now active on that page. You see it pop up, ask them for a review. If they leave a poor one, it drops down. We get their email, we get their feedback, they submit it, and it comes directly to our email. It'll show you the rating, the review, and their email address, giving you a chance to respond to them before their negative feedback is posted publicly. I'm Kenneth from FitStar, and I hope this was a helpful tutorial. For more information, visit wpfitstar.com.